This is where we left off. So here we go. The account's now active and I'm going to log in. So here we are at the login page. And it's just this test account, but you can see, let me move this over. There's a message up the top that says, please set up your sort wallet from the menu item, We Share Abundance Sort Wallet. Okay, I'm going to leave that to the next video because first of all, what I want you to do is complete your profile. And so click on this little part here, which is your drop down menu for We Share Abundance, and there's the sort wallet mentioned in the green thing above. This is the US dollar wallet where you should already see that 50 cents for having verified your email. Let's just check. Yep, there you see you've got 50 cents there, and you've also got a 1 cent for logging in as a free member. So you've already earned 51 cents, and all you've done is logged in and verified your email address. But if we go to settings here, you'll see that you can complete your profile. And it's important here that you put in verifiable information, because when you come to withdraw your money, your earnings, your income, you will need to have verified that it is your real name and your real address. So you will need to be able to verify your identity and your address before we will pay you any of the money that you've earned. So if it doesn't agree with what's in here, you won't be able to verify it. So don't put in any false information, and don't put in anything like a PO box for the address. Okay, so I'm going to put in here, because this is never going to draw any money, we're not going to, this is just an example account. I'm just going to put in here test example. Of course, if your name was Joe Blogs, you would have put in Joe Blogs. Anything that would appear on the document that you're going to use to verify your identity, your passport or your driving license or whatever it may be. And you wouldn't put Joe Blogs in there because that says your first name. So here we go. You would put Joe in here and Blogs in there. And then your address, to any street, any town, anywhere, and put in your postcode or your zip code 3456778. Okay, your complete postal address, something that you can verify, something that you can say, okay, this is a bill from the local authority or from a utility company, and this is my address on it. That's what we need in here. And of course you need to put in your country. This may have a drop-down menu by the time that you come to complete this. If not, just put in your country. Let's say you're in the United States. Okay, it can be anywhere in the world. We are a completely global opportunity. I suggest you do subscribe to email notifications. If you find that you don't want them sometime in the future, then you can always uncheck this box. And I also suggest that you check this second option here. You can always change this at any time, but this will automatically upgrade you to the highest possible level from your income that you've earned on the site, and that will mean that you are getting paid the highest possible rewards. You can, of course, choose any of the other two boxes, not make any automatic payments. The chances here are that you would possibly be out of benefit for a short while. You would get an email telling you that your subscription's ended or whatever it is, but you don't want that to happen. It's better to select one of the first two boxes, and I recommend this one in the middle. But it's up to you. It's there. It's your choice. And then you submit, and you'll get this notice your profile has been set. Okay? There are a couple of other things that you can do here. If you want to change your password, you can put in your old password and put in a new password. And the other thing is a secondary PIN. You will need this PIN for various actions, especially to make a withdrawal. So you put in here something that you can remember. I would suggest 6 to 8 digits. So okay, there's 8 digits. Don't make it something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you know, and you confirm it. Something good might be your mother's birthday. My mother's birthday was July the 9th, 1904. So in there you could put, I could perhaps put 07 for July, 09 for the 9th, and 1904 for 1904. And that's 8 digits. Pretty secure. Not many people would know my mother's birthday. Okay? So that's something that you could perhaps use, that you would remember. Any other date or occasion or something memorable you need to put in there, because you will need that to make changes to your account or make withdrawals. And you click submit and you see secondary pin set. Okay, and that is the second task done. And now we should see that you've got a little bit more money, because we're going to pay you for doing that as well. So if we go to the US dollar wallet and we have a look there, you can see that you've now earned over $1.01, and all you've done is verified your email and put your profile in. And the next thing we're going to do in the next video below this one is to set up your SOAP wallet. And that is the most complicated thing you are ever going to be required to do here, and really it's not that complicated, and I'm going to go through it step by step in the next video. So I look forward to seeing you there. God bless.